So Nemamusasa will be the last thing we do before we leave the Nyunganyunga Mbira behind. It has 12 changes which go like this. A lot of changes to memorize, right? And yet, Nemamusasa is one of the most popular and most played Mbira standards out there. So the next step would be to play the notes one after the other, starting on the right side like this. And I know this is already complicated as it is, but it can even get more complicated if we add the top row of notes, something like this. And if you want to learn that or any other instruments that we learn about on this channel, like guitars, djembe, bass, and all that, you can just simply comment or send a direct message to me, and I'll share contacts so that we can do some WhatsApp videos. But for now, let me leave you with the same Nemamusasa done on the Mbira Dzava Dzimu.